The values that are important for a childcare worker, I would say, are resilience.
Nurturing.
Being proactive.
Gallu gwrando ar that.
To have that understanding.
Mae'n rili bwysig i gallu cael hwyl, i gallu chwarae, a gallu kind of meddwl allan i'r bocs hefyd.
You're not there because you're paid to be there, you're there because you care and you want to make a difference to them.
You have to be able to think quite quickly.
Having that understanding of how they are, who they are and what they need, where they've been in life, where they want to go in life, and what their ambitions are.
No young person is the same. You have to really get that relationship and understand the young people to know what works and what doesn't.
It's having that understanding of what they've seen, why they present different behaviours and what we can do to support them.
So Gofal Preswyl ydy creu lle saff i pobl ifanc a plant byw pan dyn nhw ddim yn gallu byw adra, efo teuluoedd neu pan dyn nhw ddim yn gallu byw mewn gofal maes. Mwyn creu lle saff iddyn nhw byw a datblygu sgiliau.
I myself went through the social care system. I always wanted to give something back because of the positive experience from it.
When the opportunity came to have a contracted role in residential, I took that up straight away.
Oeddwn ni yn y heddlu cyn gwneud y swydd hon. Felly oeddwn ni jyst eisiau trio gwneud gwahaniaeth ar bywyd plant.
There's a lot of training which has helped me to, go up the ladder and become a manager. So I've come a long way in the 15 years, all the training that I've accessed to where I am today.
I thought the job was care, was sort of stereotypical as a female job, perhaps an older female, but working in the industry now, there's a lot of young males that work and a lot of young people in general that sort of like bring their life experience on.
Ti byth yn gwybod beth sy'n mynd ymlaen, ti'n dod i fewn i'r gwaith yn bore, no day is the same. Mae'n rili cyfle da i gallu gwneud wahaniaeth yn bywydau plant a pobl ifanc. Mae gallu bod yn rili anodd ond swn i'm yn gwneud dim byd arall.